these nations last met in this manner, it was for a truly glorious game. 9 who start here also started France's glittering 4-3 victory over Argentina at the last World Cup. Started the semi-final. That means a 100th cap for Nicolas Otamendi, and Nicolas Tagliafico preferred at left-back to Marcos Acuna. Adjustment though further forward, the combative Paredes gives way to the creative Angel Di Maria, and Lionel Messi's 26th World Cup appearance represents a new record. He and Julian Alvarez account for 9 of Argentina's 12 tournament goals. For the first time, the World Cup final is overseen by a Polish referee, and Szymon Marciniak has already had charge of both contenders here, France against Denmark and Argentina against Australia. France didn't even qualify in 1990. De Paul, scooped up towards Alvarez, who was offside. Understated, never flashy. Drifting it again towards Di Maria, seen by Koundé. Varane. Hernandez rolled off it by Messi, who's penalised. Here's the sparkling goal against England. Cut back, has reached Rodrigo De Paul. De Paul strikes! The deflection from Varane. Alvarez competing. Lloris couldn't gather. The referee has intervened, and France have a clearing free kick.
I'll talk about forced onto the back foot here, France.
For Hugo Lloris, a 20th World Cup appearance. He's gone past man. Good win by Giroud. Out by Tagliafico. He's seen his friend Di Maria again. Di Maria. Mbappe, that's sweet. Rabiot. Good protection for Martinez. In that crazy game against the Netherlands. And here's Rodrigo De Paul, Lionel Messi, Angel Di Maria. It bobbled up. Hernandez. Hernandez getting it back from Mbappe. And tumbling under challenge from De Paul as he sought to penetrate the penalty area. And France have a free kick. Di Maria, away from Koundé. He's gone to ground, he's got a penalty. Dembele had a little flick. Di Maria went tumbling. And Argentina are a breath, a heartbeat. And Messi! Forevermore. Perhaps his moment for infinity. As if predestined. Di Maria's full of mischief, but he's lost the ball. Giroud. In by Griezmann, failed to score in their last 2 World Cup finals. Beaten an extra through the middle. McAllister. Now Di Maria. In by Messi. Out, I think, by Giroud from the near post, and now Messi is offside. Alvarez. Side wildly.
Does. Really sharp. Half an hour or so. Argentina.
Pass. Di Maria. Messi. Master. Di Maria is the spare man. Angel Di Maria. Glorious goal. Argentine gold! That is just beautiful.
Got to double their efforts. They've certainly got to shut them.
Mbappe. Marcus Thuram, father and son combinations, of course, Maldini's and Schmeichel's and Blint's. But the Turams have a very
strong word said.
Messi. Alvarez after it, ran away. Driven in by Griezmann. Just too heavily for Varane, who was last to arrive. Fernandes. And out came Lloris. Prompt a 2-goal lead. And that was 9 days ago. Taken up by Di Maria. And set for De Paul.
See, he's the only enemy, maybe.
Run at them, and Alvarez can take it up. Julian Alvarez saw just a shaft of luck. Allowed to run. The little fellow, Alvarez. McAllister's getting there. And Kolo Muani has got into the box. He's got a penalty. He's compelled, obliged. France just might. Mbappe with thrust. Mbappe. Thuram. Mbappe. Oh, wow. He is an awesome force of nature. Brutal. Brilliant! He's been upended. Camavinga, Rabiot! Little Messi! Oh! What a reach by Lloris. Up here. Acuna. What a block. Montiel! Into the path of Lautaro Martinez! Martinez! Messi!
Offside.
Offside flag is up.
Has he given offside?
The referee's given the goal. The referee's given the goal. In by Coman. Out to Mbappe.
Oh, handball.
Shout for handball. He hasn't, has he? He has. Mbappe into the galaxy of greats. And Mbappe. Messi. Coman. Great tremendous hide. He must. Argentina.
صلاة النبي عليك يا ابو جن. والله ما ضربت. جايب لك تاني العودة يوم اروق لك الدنيا. هو دي الكلام يا حاج. وقع فين؟ ايه دي ايه دي؟ ماشي ماشي. عارفوا ماجي. احلى استفتاح يا حاج. احلى استفتاح، جاي احسن ان شاء الله. يلا نهاركم ابيض.